This is my final project for the Harvard SQL course. My project idea is a database for a hospital. My name is Ahmad Muhammadi. My GitHub username is Ahmad Muhammadi1. My EDX username is Ahmad Muhammadi. I'm from Egypt, specifically Alexandria, and I've recorded this video on the 17th of September 2025. The function requirements of my project: you can perform CRUD operations on both patients and employees. You can track the patient history throughout their stay at the hospital. You can add multiple comments to a single patient. You can track employee information, and you can track medicine inventory. These are the entities in my database. First, the patient. We're storing their ID, their first and last names, the admission date, which is the date where they join the hospital, and discharge date, the date where they leave the hospital. Similarly, for employees, I'm storing their ID, first and last name, job title, salary, and employment date. So each patient can have more than one comment, and to do that, I've created a separate comments table that has the comment ID, the ID of the patient and employee that wrote the comment as foreign keys, and the contents of the comment. The examination is a junction table between patients and employees that has the patient ID and employee ID as foreign keys, the date at which the examination was performed, and the result of the examination. The care assignments is another junction table, has the previous foreign keys, the start date, and the end date of the assignment. For medicines is the table that tracks our medicine inventory, has these attributes. The medicine as administration is a junction table between three tables: medicine, patient, employee. It also stores the dosage and the administration date time. The rooms, it keeps track of our rooms in the hospital, and the room assignments is a junction table between patients and rooms. These are the relationships in my table, and this is the diagram that shows each relationship between each table. Some of the optimizations that I made was that I created a index for the first and last name for both employees and patients, and an index for the name of the medicine and for the room number of the rooms. A limitation in my project is that you can't represent the scenario where multiple doctors are performing a single examination or a single patient, or if multiple employees, for example nurses, are administrating the medicine together to one patient. These are some example inserts, and these are some example query operations that can be performed on the database, like selecting the currently admitted patients, or the examination history and the doctor information, viewing all the medicine administration with the patient medicine details, finding the available rooms, and checking the medicine inventory for the medicines that are low in stock. And these are their respective outputs.